Welcome to the course. Let me present you with the topics of coverage in this course. We'll start off with understanding the personal finance planning, which is very essential for any person to have a comfortable life as we progress in the career and plan for your retirement as well. So for that you need to have a good understanding on personal finance planning. So we start off with need for personal finance planning, life cycle of investment at various stages of life starting from early 20s, as we progress in life, where do you invest your money on at what point of time? So that's where we look at life cycle of investment. And then we get into the financial market components in India, and what are the various avenues we have got, and where do we invest money, and what are the regulatory bodies in India. That's what we are going to look at. And then understand what is asset, what is liability, and what is a net worth of an individual, and how do we calculate the network. I'll be taking as an example with a spreadsheet, so you calculate your own net worth as well with a spreadsheet. Then understand the time value of money. What is that when you have $100? What is that as we progress with time? What does it happen? So that's what we are going to look at. Then what is investing? Factors influencing investing. This is very important. So it is just not your money, the external factors, the environmental factors, the country's economic condition, all these are parameters in investing. So we look at that as well. So associated investing and associated research, understanding key external economic factors influencing investment, the macroeconomics, the microeconomics. So I'll be discussing that as well. And then we get into introduction in securities market, then research and analysis of stock, understanding stock versus mutual fund associated ratio, which is better, particularly if you are a beginner, whether stocks are better, mutual funds are better. That is what I'll be discussing on. Understanding the basic stock ratios, understanding the basic mutual fund ratios, the net asset value. What is net asset value in a mutual fund? Then these are whatever we discussed in the earlier one, or related to equity or the shareholdings, particularly the mutual funds and stocks. And then comes the debt. This is for particularly for a conservative person. Yes, the return on investment is much lower in the debt instruments like FT. That's what I'm going to discuss. Derivative trading, short selling overview. Particularly if you are willing to take risk, then yes, what is derivative trading, short selling? I'll be providing an overview on that. Importance of capital gains and associated. This is very important. It's not just about all about the investment alone. So when you invest alone, there is going to be capital gains or it could be a capital loss. And particularly if there is a capital gain, there is going to be associated tax with it. So you need to have a plan for it. So what is capital gain? Taxation on short-term capital gains, long-term capital gains, and the tax harvesting if you are planning, particularly in long-term capital gains. I'll be discussing on that. And understanding and entering security market. What is a primary market? What is a secondary market? Different between. So once you're decided, then what is that? It is required. The trading account, demat account, its need as well. And finally, there are quiz at appropriate places, and there is a practice test also in all this topic. There are about 25 questions, so you can take the practice test also to check your knowledge. So in all, it's going to be an interesting course. So once you have registered in the course, see you inside the course. Thanks and cheers. Good luck.